Hey, my purple posse. Another feeding. It's okay. Everybody gotta eat. These guys, they're up playing. Eyes are open. Looking around, biting each other, playing. Hear them? Now Mama's barking. It's hysterical. Spunky. I hear you. That's Bullet. I call him Bullet because he's big and he's fast and he gets out in front of everybody. Yep, they're playing, getting wore out. He's just walking around, doing his thing. They see, well, they kind of can see. When the eyes open, the ears start opening, the nose is opening, they're smelling, they're sniffing. I should feel in their mouth and see if we got little teethers yet.
Well, I got chicken on my hands, I can feel.
Alright, hold on. No, they don't have any teeth yet, thank goodness. Should probably start not wanting to feed them. But they did like the smell of that chicken on Nicole's fingers. Boy, they'll suck on your finger, won't they? He gets mad like if somebody's not playing with him. You don't feel any?
No, I'm not feeling any teeth.
Good.
I feel gums though.
They got gums. Yes.
It tickles. Can I taste some chicken? Okay. There's something on your face.
They're going for your fingers with the chicken smell.
Let's look at yours.
Oh.
No, I'm not feeling any teeth. I use my hand. My goodness. I got 5 fingers. Who's going for them?
Alrighty then. Yeah, Tank's just chilling. But we built an area today that's caged off with the room in the tent, so the babies can run around in there and she can come out and she can't get out of here. It's very, very nice. Very, very nice. Fenced off. Fenced off. And I got the gate out for the babies to run around in later. Mommy ate. She's a good girl. She ate. Alright, everybody. Aww. You see playing. Don't forget to play. See you.